Greetings! Here at Los Medanos College we have various degree pathways. For this tutorial we're going to focus on certificates and their standard associate degree requirements. By the end of this video you will understand where to access your degree requirements for a certificate or for the standard AA degree. You will also know what general education pattern to follow for the standard AA degree requirements. We will begin this tutorial by covering the various certificates we offer at LMC, but first, why a certificate? Completing a certificate can either enhance your current job skills, assist you in learning a new skill or career path, as well as assisting in embellishing a resume. There are a few advantages of beginning with a certificate. First, a certificate can be completed in 1 or 2 semesters or longer. Second, general education is not required. Lastly, you do not need math or English unless specified as a major requirement. On this page of the catalog, you can quickly find out what certificates we offer. A few popular certificates we have is in Fire, LVN, Licensed Vocational Nursing, Automotive, and E-Tech, for example. For programs of study, we offer College Skills Certificate, Certificate of Achievement, and Associate Degrees. We also have ASTs and AATs. First, we're going to cover the major requirements for a certificate. Let's take a look at business. Here you will see under business we offer the Associate in Science for transfer, Business Administration, and those for people who are transferring to a CSU or possibly a UC. Degrees Associates of Science, Accounting, Small Business Operations, Office Administration, and Certificates of Achievement, which we'll be going over today. Accounting, Office Administration, Retail Management, Small Business Operations. For this example, we're going to use Office Administration. For Certificate of Achievement for Office Administration, the required courses are listed there, 14 units. Then at the very top, you have select a minimum of any 10 units from the courses below. For total units for the certificate is 24. For a certificate in Fire, you will need to complete 18 units of the required courses and complete a total of 6 units on the list below. Once you complete these courses, you can petition for a certificate. In order to receive your AA degree, you will have to complete the following. Complete 60 degree applicable units with a cumulative grade point average of 2.0 or higher, with at least 12 units completed at LMC. Complete the specific LMC major requirements listed in the college catalog with the grade C or better. Complete general education requirements by either the transfer or standard path. Now that we identify our educational goal, associate's degree in Fire, and have no desire to transfer, I will have to complete the LMC general education. You need to select at least one class from A, Natural Sciences. You will see you have many options. This is where you can look up the course description to find out the right class for you. The second category is Social and Behavioral Sciences. You will need to complete one in this area. For Area C, the Arts and Humanities, please select another course. For Area D, this has 2 courses, English 100, College Composition, and Math, either Geometry or Algebra 2 or higher. Another class that is required is 1 course in Ethnic Multicultural Studies. Now remember, there is no double counting on the general education requirements. However, you can double count between general education and your major requirements. Also, if you complete all general education requirements, this may only be 18 to 19 units in total. Therefore, you will have to make sure you have a total of 60 degree applicable units for this degree. Fire had 24 units in the major, and I completed 19 units of general education. Therefore, in total, I have completed 43 units. And I need 70 more elective courses to complete my 60 units. This is where it is advised to see a counselor to identify what other courses you should take. In conclusion, this tutorial covered the certificate and standard associates pathways, as well as where to locate possible majors on the LMC catalog.